Let's learn phrasal verb, idioms and slang.
eke by. Phrasal verb.
Listen.
Phrasal verb, eke by. Sobreviver ou conseguir viver com poucos recursos, conseguir dinheiro, comida ou recursos suficientes com dificuldade, passar por uma situação financeira difícil sem grandes problemas.
For population size, Trump was able to eke out a victory by winning narrow margins in so-called swing states such as Florida.
But Tesla was able to eke out a $16 million profit, propelled by a strong demand for its model.
But again, if you want to eke out every bit of the drop, then ideally separate it by a little bit of time.
And to eke out a living that seems to be supplemented by petty crime in the underbelly of Leicester's casual poor.
Liked than the others, but the lizards did eke out the elephants by just a little bit.
Bill and the guys eke out a living by stripping down the electrical waste and recycling the various metals and cables.
My grandparents eke by on their modest pension every single month. Some students eke by despite facing many unexpected financial difficulties today. Many families eke by during challenging economic times across the country. They eke by while working multiple jobs throughout the entire busy week. We eke by even when our household expenses suddenly become overwhelming daily. She ekes by selling handmade crafts at local markets every weekend. They eke by with temporary jobs whenever opportunities become available nearby. He ekes by doing freelance work during difficult financial periods each year. Many artists eke by performing at small venues throughout the entire city. The couple ekes by using careful budgeting techniques every single month successfully. We eke by despite rising living costs affecting our monthly expenses greatly. She ekes by after losing her previous full-time office position unexpectedly. They eke by during difficult seasons without borrowing money from anyone. Many retirees eke by because inflation significantly reduces their purchasing power. Our neighbors eke by through determination and responsible financial planning every day.
Let's learn idioms.
The students will paint the town red after graduation. The manager tried to pass the buck for the failed project. The repairs cost me an arm and a leg this month. The tourists pay through the nose for souvenirs. The garden is peaches and cream this lovely summer. I will give you a penny for your thoughts on this. He is a penny pincher and never spends any money. People in glass houses should not throw stones at others. The new worker will pick up the slack from our team. Can I pick your brain about the new software?
Let's learn slang.
She is down for that adventure trip next month. Count me in for the charity run this Sunday. She counted herself in and signed up immediately. I'm in. When do we start the new project? She is in and ready to work with us. Pass on that offer, it is not good enough. She passed on the opportunity to travel abroad. Hard pass. That idea is absolutely terrible. She said hard pass and walked away angrily. I'm out. This conversation is going nowhere. Rain check. I cannot make it to the party. She gave him a rain check for the lunch date. Can't make it because I have a doctor's appointment. Bummer, we missed the last train home tonight. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe to this channel.